They were making a chocolate cake, so we'll just open this. So 100 milliliter water, we're gonna put 403.
Now we're gonna mix with the water.
Now you pour this shit in.
What?
Hey, babe.
What? I didn't hear you. Maybe
You pour the shit in.
This looks like shit.
Just. It's in now.
Now we are going to put it in the oven at 160 degrees.
Now we wait a second. Going take look. Take look.
You know it.
Now you throw the milk in. And you...
To make it. I don't think that's 100. Okay. Some more milk. We need some water too. More water. Like
For the special ingredient, it's very nice. This
we need to open that. Like
fucking hell.
Oh, you mix it in with the cocaine. And
I want to snore this coke. Snore. We're gonna put this and we can.
Not a good word.
Most delicious.
Now we're gonna mix this shit.
Yeah.
So, fake.
We're going to put the mixture in the oven. Fucking nice.
Almost done.
Look this shit.
It's nice.
Hey, I'm Rafa. You wanna know how the cake is? It's nice. Look. You see this? This is our cake. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Later. See you later, motherfucker.